everybody, welcome back to yet another exciting episode of Hands On with BLG. We decided to show you how to also set up a tank to quick cycle. As you can see, that's the 30 gallon. Those fish is behind us now, and their new home, their 29 gallon, we're living in. As you can see, we left some gravel in the bottom down there and some of the water. Yep, we just moved that to that stand. The coffee table is now back in the man cave. I got to rearrange that today. Our supplies, fish supplies, supplies for you people, are now down in the bottom shelf. The mama over here, and over there, is rinsing new gravel. You get new gravel in the bag, you always want to rinse it out through a strainer, and then you can dump it in a bucket and then dump it in your tank. Very carefully dump it in your tank. Yes. So right now we're going to rinse the gravel, like she's doing, and dump the gravel into that bucket there or something that she wants to dump it into, and then I'm going to put it in the tank over there, in this tank over here, like that. So I'm going to pause until we get a load of gravel, and then this will be a whole bunch of clipping together, some short clips, dumping gravel, and I'll show you when we dump the gravel, and I'll probably pause till all the gravel's in, and then we fill it up with treated water the rest of the way. And all this stuff and bacterias and stuff and the rocks there and the water and in that filter and the little bit of algae on the glass of the tank, it'll help cure that tank up. It'll cycle quicker. We're thinking within a week, ready for fish. So anyways, we'll see you when we get ready for a load of gravel. Okay, look. I forgot to turn the camera on to show you dumping gravel mode. But, lucky for you, and you back over there, you down there on the floor. Lucky for you guys, we got one more bucket of gravel. It's going to go in there. See the little mound there and a little mound there. Just dumping the gravel in. All we're doing is rinsing it really good, putting it in a bucket, and then I carry the bucket over, and we dump it in Meester tank. Right out. Right in the middle here should do it. You're not going to get it all out of the bucket, I don't think.
Just bang on the bucket.
I can't. It's not. I don't want to break something.
Here.
Remember, lefty and righty have a tendency to punch things on their own. I got most enough of it. I'm going to smooth this out just like the other tank here. Smooth out, says gravel. This mom dumps fish water all over me.
It's not fish water. It's gravel water.
It's gravel water. Get the little floaters out of here. And flip. And there's another one over here floating around. Get these little floaty things every now and then. Get off me. Get off me. Okay, now we got gravel. And now, the exciting part of putting treated water in here. We're going to show you how to do that right quick. Treat your water right. Put it in your fish tank. See how nice that looks? We're getting there. This is the fast cycle setup. Get your tank ready quick.
Well,
yeah.
And you can treat the water since we're not got fish in it. You can treat it after you get all the water in it.
Oh, yeah, that's right. I forgot about that. We're going to treat the water after the tank is full. Because one cap does 50 gallons. That's only 30. So, yeah, there's no fish in there right now. So, yeah, just treat it afterwards. Make it easier. I'm just going to dump buckets and buckets of water in. As that 10 quarts at a time is what a bucket from the dollar store is. 10 quarts. Got a nice little handle underneath of it. You can grip it. And a pour spout like this. That's a pour spout if you ain't seen one. Wow, I am really close up. Jeez. Cool. And the bucket's filling up right now. So we're waiting on a filling bucket. Ah, damn, son. Got the belties going. There you go, that's good. That's good. Taking our buckets at water, like so, and we just dump it in. See a little handle here? We just fill this thing up to the top. Nice and easy like. Trying to be nice and easy like. It's going to make a hole in the rocks. We'll smooth it out when it gets full. No big deal. Alley-oop. There's about 8-9 quarts in there. And we'll see when this is topped off to the top with water. You're floating. Magic. Now what you do is you take your brand new plants. Those are brand new from the store. They haven't been rinsed yet. Always rinse your plants off from the store. They might have floor cleaners or shelf dusting chemicals on it. Just give them a really good thorough rinsing. And then she's going to rinse off all these plants like this. This plant don't need rinsed. We're going to put this plant in the tank now. So I'll set you back up over here where you can see what's going on. If I can get this leg to kick out. Thank you. We'll get set back up over here. Looks pretty good. I'm going to spread this gravel out again. See how it made a dent? You can put a bowl in here or a plate on the bottom when you're pouring and aim for the plate and it won't spread your gravel all over the place. I'm not worried about it right now because we don't have plants in it yet anyway. So we're just putting water in basically, technically, oops. So I'm going to stuff this little guy in this back corner back here like that, kind of angle him out of touch. Bury him up like so. There's a floater. We got one came off. Okay, there's one plant that's in there that didn't need rinsed. It's out of the other tank fresh. Out of the other tank. So there's one plant. I'm all wet. I've been skin diving. Skin? On my hand? I got skin? Never mind. So she's going to rinse plants. Did you get the big one?
Yeah.
Where do you want it? Middle, edge, side?
This stuff.
Kind of.
On this end, I guess.
Kind of this way. So this one you got to tip around, get the air out of it. This one should just sit down in here actually.
Yeah, some way so that we can actually see inside, but they don't know it.
Oh, I don't know about that, but how about like that? You can look in, peek in from this end.
Yeah, that works.
Okay. Get these facing the right direction. Like that. There's another one. That one's been nicely rinsed. I think that'll stand up a little bit more as it goes. That one doesn't need packed into this dirt or this gravel. It can just sit there all nice. Yep. Two more tall plants. Two more different kinds of plants. We got some really cool looking grass here of different colors. And a big leafy one. Where do you want these? One.
Just surprise me.
Just kind of space them out.
Yeah.
Put that one right there. Maybe this one will help kind of hide the tube here. Leave them a little room to swim behind it, but enough to kind of, you know what? No, I'm going to move this one here. This looks cool. Maybe? No. Here. Here. We're putting this one here because that's what we're doing. Like that. Crush this one down a little bit more. Push a little bit of dirt over that one, gravel over that one. Keep saying dirt. I don't know why. I don't know why. One. Lefty's drowning for Christ's sake. I'm going to put a little one back here in the corner. Like this. Right next to this. Kind of poking back here. Maybe here? Look alright?
Yeah.
Little guy, right? Whoops, they want to float. Bury these guys.
Yeah, these guys are...
Okay, and we got this guy here, which is one we want to live.
I'd say over here in the corner.
Back in the back. Here?
Yeah.
Yeah, right in front here. Yeah, that was good.
Yeah.
Alright. Now we've got our planty plants in here. Is that all of them? That's everybody, right? In the pool?
Yeah, that's it.
Everybody's in the pool? Back to water time.
Yeah.
And we'll see you when the water is filled up in there. Might wanna, she said. I don't know what that means, might wanna, but might wanna. Maybe it's a greeting to somebody. If you're from that country,
Might wanna?
Might wanna. What is that? What does might wanna mean? The old lady's freaking me out. LAG. She said might wanna at me and stuff. As you can see, we're getting there. We got all the plants. I flipped the switch over there and the pump is running, or the filter's running and cycling and filter and water and stuff. The heater has already came on and already shut off, so that's kind of cool. You're getting a little extra light now from the light. We got a little bit more water to put in here, and we put the lid back on this bad boy.
That's it.
And we're done.
Oh, no, we gotta do this.
Well, then we gotta treat it, and then we're done. See how I'm pouring over the log? It keeps the gravel from going crazy. I'm pouring out over the bare spot on the top of this log. This is the plastic, diffusing the water so that it doesn't go everywhere. And we just top him off like that. And there's all of our water filled in. And now, said the Grinch, this goes there for now. You got this prime water stuff right here. Water treatment stuff. It doesn't have to be this brand. It's just water treatment stuff. Oh God. Concentrated conditioner for marine and freshwater tanks. And one cap of this stuff, in this particular brand, is enough to treat 50 gallons of water. So I'm going to just go ahead and put one cap of that in there. That'll cycle through the filter. And that water is treated. Yeah. Then we take back our lid. We got an old cheapy lid, but it does the trick, by God. And they're not expensive. These glass ones, not expensive. They're a little fuckery, but they're not expensive. Here we go. And we set it forward like this because when it hits that tube, it says. And we don't like that sound. And we take our light, and our light goes back on the tank. There you go. We have one tank set up for a quick cycle. That easy. Got a little bit of the algae in there still that'll help it to get biological going. We got a little of the old gravel in there to help the biological filter. We got a little bit of the old water to help the biological filter. And there you have it, folks. Another episode of Hands On with BLG. And there you have it, folks. For Hands On with BLG, he's back there behind the camera, looking groovy and stuff. I am righty. I am lefty. That back there is the fat man BLG. That over there is LAG the mama. Cute puppies make you famous. That is Dingo. He's not very impressed. And there's your episode, folks. We'll see you in the next one. I'll get these two up for you today. But I still have to wait to finish the other one over there. Goodbye, 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 goodbye. Hands on with BLG. You never know what you will see. Oh, yes, sirree. Hands on with BLG. Stick around and learn from